What's up everybody? In this video I'm going to show you how to get live wallpapers in your Windows computer. So if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to drop a like and subscribe, and let's get started. So first thing you guys will need is open up the Microsoft Store, and you want to look up this application which is called Lively Wallpaper. Okay, so once you have gone to this page, you want to hit install. Since I already have it, I'll just click and open. Once it's installed, you can just open it up and you'll see there's a bunch of wallpapers you guys can choose, like already available pre-installed wallpapers. And if you want to further customize this, you can even install another application to make your taskbar be translucent. So that would be translucent TB. And yeah, so just install this application as well. It's gonna make your taskbar translucent, which will make it even way more good looking taskbar. Okay, so once you install it, just make sure to open it up, and it should already do what it's supposed to do. So right now you can see my taskbar is translucent and I have this animation that just follows my mouse. Now there's another option as well, like you can download more wallpapers. So if you want to go ahead, you can just open up your browser and you want to go to this website, pexels.com. And there's another website as well, which is called Pixabay. So pixabay.com. And these two websites, you can download videos, for example, waterfall, and you can just install it. So let's just, for example, download this footage, and yeah, you just want to go ahead and click it, right? Then free downloads. Then you can download probably full HD would be enough. And yeah, so there will be some options to download here, and it should already start the download process. So once it's downloaded, it should be in your downloads folder. So what you want to do is you want to go to your program and you want to hit plus, and then you just want to choose a file, go to your downloads and pick up the file you downloaded, and it should automatically add it. So you can now name it waterfall, and by doing this, you will get this custom wallpaper that you just downloaded. So the possibilities are infinite. You can see I already have my custom wallpaper over here. So this is it for this short tutorial, guys. I will also create more videos regarding customizing your desktop. So stay tuned for the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.